Hi everyone, this is my first video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First you need 2 cups of bread flour, 200 milliliters water, 7 grams of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You will need a mixing bowl and bread pan. Let's get started. First you need to add the yeast into the water. Then add the salt and sugar. Stir the yeast mixture well. Set it aside for 10 minutes. You now put the flour and oil in the mixing bowl and wait till yeast is ready. Now when yeast is ready, add it to the flour. Using your fingers, combine mixture till it forms a dough.
10,000 pieces in flames, but I can't see. Tell me what I need to believe. Yeah. If all I know is all I say.
Sprinkle some flour onto your table before kneading. Knead your dough for 5 minutes. If you use a mixer, set it for 3 minutes. After kneading for 5 minutes, roll it into a ball. When you are done forming a ball, it's time to place it back into the bowl. Sprinkle some flour so the dough doesn't stick to the bowl. Place the dough into the bowl, cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 1 hour. It has been an hour and my dough has doubled in size. Now you need to punch down the dough. Sprinkle flour on the table to knead the dough for the second time. This time knead the dough only for 2 minutes. Roll it into a ball again and this time place it in the bread pan. Press it down gently into the pan. Cover it with a tea towel for 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 160 degrees. Bake it for 30 minutes or till brown. This is what it looks like after it's done. Let it cool before cutting it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.